Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to transfer WordPress website to Hostinger. So if you have a WordPress website on any other web hosting platform and you want to transfer your WordPress website to Hostinger, this video is for you. So this is our local website and this is our Hostinger website. So today we will transfer this local website to Hostinger. Before starting the video, if you don't have WordPress installed on your Hostinger hosting and domain, first install WordPress and then follow the instructions. First of all, we need to log into the both of the websites, the local website and the Hostinger website. Now we need to install a plugin on both the websites. So at first we will install it on the local website, log into the dashboard, and after that click on plugins and then click on add plugin. Search for WPVivid, click on install and then click activate. Go to the Hostinger website dashboard, click on plugins, add plugin, search for WPVivid, click on install now and then click activate. Our plugin is now installed on both the websites. So at first we will go to our local WordPress website dashboard and then select database plus files from here. After that click on backup now. Our backup is now completed. Now we are going to scroll down and here we will see our backup. Click on download from here. Click on download again. And as you can see that backup is now downloading to our computer. So once the backup is downloaded, we will go to our Hostinger website and then click on upload from the bottom. Click on select file, select the backup and then click on open. Click on upload from here. Our backup is now uploading to the Hostinger website. So our backup is now uploaded. We are going to click on OK from here. Now again we will scroll down and here we will see the uploaded backup. We are going to click on restore from here. Select restore again. Click on OK. And as you can see that our uploaded backup is now restoring. Our backup is now restored successfully. Click on OK. So we have successfully transferred our local website to Hostinger and now we need to use the credentials of our local website instead of the Hostinger website. So I will go to the users of my local website, copy the username from here, go to my Hostinger website, paste it here. Now use the local host website password and then click on login from here. And now if I go to my Hostinger website and refresh it, and as you can see that our local host website is now successfully transferred to Hostinger. So this is how you can transfer your WordPress website to Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.